Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add text inside a fruit to create a cool inner text effect. First, type your text and place it over the fruit image. Next, convert the text layer into a smart object. Now, press Ctrl-T, select Wrap, Transform Warp, and carefully adjust the text so it fits the shape of the fruit. After that, turn off the eye layer and select second layer, and then turn on your second fruit layer. Add a layer mask, select the brush tool, and gently paint over the top part of the fruit, like the leaf and stem, to make it look as if the text is inside the fruit. And that's it! Your inner text effect is complete. The text now looks perfectly cut out inside the apple.